Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech W. My name is Amrit Kumar. So today I'm going to show you how to enable microphone and camera in Canva application. As you can see, I've already signed in by visiting www.canva.com using my Google credential. So in order to enable microphone and camera in Canva application, all you have to do is click on this button next to the URL. You can see this button. And once you click on this, you will see the site settings option, the very last option. And then you have to be in this privacy and security option here. And then you'll find camera. And then click on the tiny drop down and click on allow. Likewise, you can go to the microphone, click on this tiny drop down and click on allow. And then go back to the Canva. Now, once you click on this button, which is next to the URL, you will see camera and microphone both are visible. And you can toggle if you want, toggle this on from here only. So now your camera and microphone both are enabled. That's how you enable camera and microphone in Canva. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.